My favorite thing about Yo on the Move is how we get to meet new people and basically learn about ourselves that we didn't know already.
We always come together and we are just like one big happy family.
I never thought that I could meet like a whole bunch of girls in one place.
This building that we dedicate today is beautiful, yes, but it truly represents opportunity. It represents belief. It represents a community coming together to say to young women, we see you, we believe in you, and we are invested in your future. This renovated space will serve as a launch pad for thousands of girls in the years ahead. Not just for what they are to become, but for who they already are.
This transformation was made possible by countless partners, donors, volunteers, and most importantly, by the young women who inspire us every day with their resilience, creativity, and leadership.
Today's ribbon cutting isn't just about a new space. It represents growth, empowerment, and continued investment in young women like me. Thank you for believing in us, for supporting a program that truly makes a difference.
One girl at a time is not small thinking. It is strategic thinking. Because when you change one girl's trajectory, you change a family. You change a neighborhood. You change a community.
The renovated facilities will be critical for helping our young people build the skills and develop the mental fortitude to compete in a complex high-tech job market that also requires strong soft skills and critical thinking abilities. So with this space and with these programs, we're building leaders who can transform communities, industries, and the world.